Hanoi pours $20.4 million to stabilize goods on Tet holiday. A factory to test and assemble semiconductors opened in Ho Chi Minh City. And Vietnam enters world's top 10 seafood exporters. Hello and welcome to Daily Biz on VTV4. Intel Corporation has just opened a factory to test and assemble semiconductors, the high-tech center zone in Ho Chi Minh City. Our VTV reporter has an exclusive interview with Mr. Paul Otellini, General Director of Intel Corporation.
This question is that I wonder that why the Intel and you chose in Vietnam and put 1 billion investment in Vietnam.
Intel takes a long-term view of countries and markets. When we go into a country like this, we expect that long-term Vietnam will develop not just as a site to manufacture, but also a large consumption site. And again, back to the quality of the people and the infrastructure, the broadband requirements, the focus on education are all good leading indicators of this being a very large market for us long-term.
So what thing you will collaborate with the Vietnam government in the future?
We have programs with the government in education, which is where we are very passionate as a company. We have already trained 87,000 teachers in this country. We've trained 27,000 IT professionals in this country. We're working with the telecommunications industry to ensure that PCs are available as broadband becomes available. And this is an arm-in-arm process with the private enterprise and the government.
Do you have any recommendation for us for develop the technology in Vietnam and put the Vietnam name in the world IT map?
The most valuable asset you have is your people. So continuing to get children focused on math and science, and then into engineering disciplines as they go through school, or software as they go through school, is critical. And if you have that kind of student population over time, you end up creating a culture of engineering, a culture of excellence, a culture of output that becomes extremely attractive for people to make investments.